Hello all, I am Rajshekhar from Sunrise Institute of Education. Today I would like to discuss one important topic which is related to chemistry, that is Markovnikov rule. Okay, it is very important for intermediate and competitive exams also. Okay, first of all let us see its definition. Okay, I tell simple example and simple definition for your understanding purpose. Okay, let us see. First of all, listen carefully. When an unsymmetrical reagent means it is not a symmetrical one. Okay, when you should take an unsymmetrical reagent. Okay, when unsymmetrical reagent are going to be added to the unsymmetrical alkene. Okay, the positive part of the reagent are going to be added to the more number of hydrogens containing double bond, and the negative part of the reagent are going to be added to the less number of hydrogens containing double bond. I can explain with example also. First of all, let us see its definition. Okay, let us see definition. Unsymmetrical reagent is added to the unsymmetrical alkene. The positive part of the reagent are going to be attached more number of hydrogens containing double bond, and negative part of the reagent are going to be attached less number of hydrogens containing double bond. Okay, let us see one simple example for the understanding of this definition. Okay, suppose for example let us see unsymmetrical alkene. Suppose for example let us see this is unsymmetrical alkene. Okay, or this is also called as asymmetric alkene. Okay, why? Because it dissociates, or okay, it does not give two equal halves. Okay, this way this is called as unsymmetrical alkene. The name is propene. Okay, to this add unsymmetrical reagent. Okay, let us take HX. Okay, this is called as protic acid. Hydrogen which is here is called as protic acid. Either HCl or HB or HI, whatever it may be. Okay, this is also unsymmetrical reagent. Okay, here according to definition, let us see unsymmetrical alkene. Okay, positive part of the reagent. Here what is the positive part of the reagent? Here this is dissociates into H plus. This is dissociates into minus. Okay, the positive part of the reagent are going to be attached to the more number of hydrogens containing double bond. Here this is double bond containing carbons. Here in this double bond containing these carbons, this carbon has two hydrogens, this carbon has only one hydrogen. That's why the positive part of the reagent are going to be attached to the more number of hydrogens containing double bond. The negative part of the reagent are added to the less number of hydrogens containing double bond carbon atom. Okay, that's why here the reaction takes place in double bond moiety. Here this double bond position. That's why the positive part of the reagent are going to be attached to the more number of hydrogens containing double bond carbon. This is the more number of hydrogens containing double bond carbon. The negative part of the reagent are going to be added to the less number of hydrogens containing double bond carbon. Okay, here what is the product is formed? Let us see. CH3, right, as easily. Okay, here this CH and CH2. Okay, here the breaking of double bond, formation of new 2 sigma bonds is takes place. Okay, here hydrogen is added to the this CH2. That's why CH2 becomes CH3. Is also written as CH2 bond H. Next, X minus is added to the this CHX. Let us see its name. Okay, you should start from right to left or left to right. What it may be right? Why? Because the halogen gets second position. That's why either left to right or right to left. Whatever it may be numbering, that is the right one. 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. Whatever it may be that is the right one. Okay. 2-halo. What is the name? Its name is 2-halo propane, 2-halopropane. Suppose for example, you take here HBr, hydrogen bromide, to give rise to corresponding 2-bromopropane. Suppose for example, hydrogen iodide you take, okay, the product formed as a 2-iodopropane. Let us see first example. We take unsymmetrical alkene as a propene. Unsymmetrical reagent is hydrobromic acid. This is also called as hydrogen bromide. Here, according to Markovnikov's rule, what is the product is formed? Let us see. First of all, this hydrobromic acid is dissociates into negative part and positive part. Okay, generally hydrogen has less electronegative when compared to bromine. That's why it is converted into del plus, this del minus. That's why here this is positive part of the reagent, this is negative part of the reagent. Okay, according to its definition, the positive part of the reagent are going to be added to the more number of hydrogens containing double bond carbon. Here there is no reaction takes place. Why? Because the reaction center is, first of all you should identify. Okay, this is the reaction center. Why? Because double bond center. This has reactivity. Alkanes general, this is sp3 carbon. sp3 carbon containing carbon has less reactive when compared to sp2 carbon. Okay, this double bond it is consisting, that's why it is called as sp2 carbons. Okay, that's why the reaction is going on in this center. Okay, the positive part of the reagent is going to be attached to the this more number of hydrogens containing this carbon atom. The negative part of the reagent are going to be added to the less number of hydrogens containing this carbon atom. Here, what is the product is formed? Write simply. CH3 bond CH. Here you should add negative part, that is nothing but bromine. Next, here CH2 become the positive part of the reagent, that is H plus is added to this CH2. CH2 becomes CH3. What is the here product name? Here the product name is 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane. This is the IUPAC name. Okay, this is the main product is formed. Along this main product, okay, second product is also formed. This is the major product. This is the major product in this reaction. This is the major product. Along this major product, minor product is also formed. What is the minor product? Reverse the reaction. Okay. Here in this CH3, CH. Okay, this is according to Markovnikov rule. This is the product is formed. Okay, suppose for example, you should take 100% of this reaction mixture. Here, 70 to 80% of this major product, this is 2-bromopropane is formed. The remaining less quantity is formed as a, okay, what is the product is formed? Let us see. Here, okay, negative. Generally, this CH2 becomes CH2. This CH2, this bromine is added to this. This is a minor product. This is nothing but here 2-bromopropane is a major product. 1-bromopropane is formed as a minor product. Okay, 1-bromopropane. Okay, why? Because the numbering is started from substituted carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the minor product. This is the minor product. Okay, here in this reaction, two products are going to be formed. According to Markovnikov rule, 2-bromopropane as a major product and 1-bromopropane as a minor product. Okay, next let us see second example. Here in this I take 2-methyl propene. This is also, here is also, this is alkene center. Okay, next how the polarization of this unsymmetrical reagent is takes place? H plus and Br minus. Okay, generally according to Markovnikov rule, positive part of the reagent are going to be attached to the more number of hydrogens containing carbon. This is this one. The negative part of the reagent are going to be added to the less number of carbons. Here the double bond, this is the reaction center. Here in this positive part is added to the more number of hydrogens containing carbon double bond. Here negative part is added to the less number of hydrogens. Less number of hydrogens. Here you should take hydrogens. Here there is no hydrogens present. Negative part is added to the less number of hydrogens containing this carbon. Okay. Here what is the product is formed. Here also major product formed according to Markovnikov rule. The remaining product is taken as a minor one. Here what is the major product formed according to Markovnikov rule? CH3, CH3, CH2. Here CH2 become CH3. CH2 becomes CH3. Here bromine you should add to this carbon. Okay. What is the here product name? Okay. You can start from left to right or right to left or this way. Okay. Whatever can be, that is the right. 1, 2, 3. For this example, left to right or right to left or in this way. Whatever it may be, that is the correct one. Why? Because the bromine is attached to the second carbon. For example, let us take 1, 2, 3. 2 bromo, 2 methyl. This is also taken as a substituent. 2 bromo, 2 methyl propane. 2 bromo, 2 methyl propane. This is the major product formed. Next, what is the minor product formed? Okay, here hydrogen is added this position, bromine is added this position. That is the minor product. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, Br. What is the product name? Here bromine is added to this terminal this carbon atom. That's why you should give priority to this carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. 1 bromo, 2 methyl propane. 1 bromo, 2 methyl propane. Okay, according to Markovnikov rule, this is the major product. This is the minor product. Okay, according to Markovnikov rule, 2 bromo, 2 methyl propane is formed as a major one. Thank you for watching.